So guys, today I'll be making hair growth oil. So all these things that we are seeing here is what I'll be using to prepare it. So first of all, what I have here is coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, onions, garlic, ginger, aloe vera and curly leaves. Onions contains a lot of benefit for our hair. It supports thicker and stronger hair, prevents hair loss, promotes collagen production, which works by improving the healthy skin cells and promotes hair growth. So for garlic, it contains antimicrobial properties, which helps to kill bacteria and germs on the scalp. It also has a lot of vitamin C in it, which works perfectly in promoting hair growth. For ginger, it helps to stimulate hair follicles, which in turn promotes hair growth. It has lots of minerals and fatty acid, which helps to strengthen the hair strands and promote hair growth. Curly leaves are rich in antioxidants that helps to moisturize both the scalp and the hair. It is high in beta-carotene and protein, which works by combating hair loss. Aloe vera contains photolytic enzymes that helps to improve the skin cells in your scalp. It is also a great conditioner for your hair. It will leave your hair smooth and shiny, and it also stimulates hair growth. It has lots of vitamins in it, so it's very essential for this I'll be using coconut oil and olive oil for this recipe because they are high penetrating oils. They can penetrate both your strands and your scalp. So I'll be using it to prepare this recipe. They are my career oils, so I'll be using it for this recipe. Now that you have known all the benefit of all those things that I have here, let's quickly jump into prepping all those things. Okay guys, I will use my grater to grate onions, garlic and ginger. If you want to use blender, it's okay, but I like to use this so that I will not add any water at all, and also it will give me that smooth paste that I want. So I'll be grating it now. Guys, I'm done with the onions. Seriously, I'm crying right now. I'm seriously crying right now. So I'll go ahead and grate this one. Guys, I'm done grating all the whole thing. So this, what I have here is onions, garlic and ginger. So this is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and cut my aloe vera. guys, it's now on the heat, okay, on a low heat. Please use low heat if you want to prepare this recipe, and allow it to boil for a long time until all the water in it disappears. Okay, so I'll just allow it to boil and I'll come back to stir it. See what's happening? Oh my god, the smell is everywhere. So I'll just give it a good stir and still allow it to keep boiling, to keep boiling, to keep boiling. Now, from the look of this oil, now you will now sense that the whole water is dry, so it's remaining only the oil. Be careful so that you don't have any water in this oil, so that your oil will not spoil. You can now see that there's no water in it, so our oil is now ready. I will now off my heat, then I'll allow it to cool down before straining the oil out. See? So guys, now I have to sieve my oil. You can see it's now cold, so I have to sieve it out. Just be careful so that you not have water in it. So guys, this is the oil. I've finished pressing it out, so I have to transfer it to my glass jar. Now I have to add my essential oil. I have tea tree essential oil, so I'll be using tea tree essential oil. You can add as many as you want, but what I have is tea tree, so I'll be using it. This hair growth oil can be used as a pre-poo. You can use it to seal in your moisture. You can use it for your scalp massage. It is well penetrating. It can penetrate your scalp and your hair shaft, so it's very good. It has a lot of nutrients in it. So let me know if you like this video in the comment section. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up. Like, comment and share it out to your friends and family. Whatever shareable, just share it out. Okay, until next time, stay sassy and be peaceful. I love you all. Bye.